Good morning, channel subscribers, everyone, audience. Thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate every single one of you. What subscribing really means. Subscribe is two words, sub meaning under and scribe meaning to write. Subscribe literally means to underwrite, and under means to back or to support, to be liable for, or to pledge loyalty to. So every subscription to a channel is supporting, is liable to, is a pledge of loyalty to. The question then becomes, to what or to whom am I supporting and liable for, and to what or to whom am I pledging loyalty to? And the answer is you. Didn't see that coming, did you? Because it's true. You always choose in the direction of what you believe is in your best interest, and you always choose away from what you believe is not in your best interest. If your actions are incongruent, meaning they don't line up, they don't meet, and they're not aligned, and you're choosing actions that don't serve you or are not in your best interest, then you have attached a belief to the action. It's like putting a sticky note on that serves the belief rather than you. Subscriptions are one tell to see your current beliefs and actions about yourself, literally. So you can look at your subscriptions, your list, and that will literally tell you what you currently believe about yourself. So subscribing to a channel means to support, to be liable for, to pledge loyalty to your beliefs about you. You know exactly what you need, and you know that you can rely on you to serve your beliefs about yourself in every moment. This is really important that you understand that you are serving the beliefs about yourself. When the beliefs get removed and you're serving the self, then everything is in alignment and things seem to flow. They feel like they're flowing. And that's because there's no obstruction of a belief to stop it. There is no filter. So your subscription to this channel serves your current understanding that you are self-aware, that you are all things and no thing in particular, that you are constant change, that you're a different person every moment, and that you choose your existence. You choose your existence. You choose your reality, and that you have all the power all the time. You are not subscribing to me per se. You are subscribing to the current understanding of the very powerful you. You are nourishing your beliefs every moment of every day in every way. So give yourself the best. Subscribe to the channel that reinforces the power of you as your own authority. You are all you need. Live deliberately. Subscribe. Subscribe to the channel. If you haven't already, please subscribe. And hit that thank you thumb. Namaste. And have a good day.